Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection back again with the news as we always promised. Today we brought for you the Elgato Steam Disk XL. This is the biggest and the latest from Elgato as a Steam Disk. I'm gonna talk about so important point before I unbox or show or anything. I watch maybe 150 video on YouTube about Elgato, about the streaming disk, about everything. Oh my god, guys, there is no one video explaining anything well. To be honest with you, without complimenting, without anything, everyone, see, you connect, you do. God, explain for people. There is some people that doesn't know even what is this device, what it's doing, why I need it, why I not need. Everyone, oh wow, he's saving a lot of power, he's saving a lot of time for you. Oh, without this device, I was screwed up. Oh, thanks God, we. And everyone start pretend that he's graduated from Oxford and he was working Microsoft. Bill Gates was calling him yesterday. I mean, why don't you explain for people what is this device? Why I need him? Exactly, explain. Anyway, guys, because this device burned my blood, honestly. This device let me, I mean, until I did by myself, until I search in Google, I read well, I enter Elgato website, I did until I reach really, listen to me shortly. This device for what? You can use them as this buttons. I'll explain you by friendly way, okay? These buttons you can use her, customize her as you want, as shortcuts, okay? Shortcuts for streaming and shortcuts for normal. For example, you can press one button, go to YouTube. You can go put the link for YouTube, put it in the site when you install the device. And it doesn't need any hard disk, doesn't need anything, require any Windows, any Macintosh, and disconnected and work. He's USB type. Anyway, you press like this YouTube, you press its shortcuts for any site you want. This is as for size, for muting mic, for opening cam, for opening music, muting, anything you want. Okay, number two, what do I need him in streaming? Now I'm doing streaming video, I play games, streaming, anything, okay. For example, you want to put something widget, or you want to put something funny, or you want to put something, for example, few minutes later, this one that you do it, or you want to do it, oh my god, from any part for a movie, you got me? You can take this video, or the link, or the video, you can put it, for example, in, you have it as 5 seconds, anything, kidding, laughing, you talk about something and you can put it shortcut here, and you can add it in your video. Or you can edit that you cut even recording. For example, if you record and this moment you don't want it, you can put it, he will cut for you the last 5 seconds or the last 10 seconds that he was recording, even in live streaming. You can customize any bottom you want. This is all about this device, you got me? It's nothing big deal, it's nothing how well, everyone, they make, to be honest, they make my balls like this when I watch all these videos. Anyway, let me tell you something else. Some guys do not know what is the mean disk and disk XL, streaming disk XL. It's the size of bottoms. There is the Elgato, there is normal one like 6 bottoms only, and there is Elgato the second version. It's 15 bottom, and this one is 32 bottom. The difference of bottoms, which bottoms more not anything. It's not like Elgato HD. 65 SS plus, this one lagging, this one not lagging. No, here you don't have something like this. Anyway, now we have the user manual. As you see, we have here, I don't know, looks like for the company. We have here the guarantee. We have here another user manual. Here they will not write anything extra. They say inside the box the Elgato disk for standing, USB, and user manual. So, made in Taiwan, by the way, it's not China. I'm wondering. I saw that this is made in China. So, nothing in the box here that we not miss anything. Let's put out it here. As you see, the connection here is Type C. Okay, we have here the disk where you will install it like this. Oh, it's installed by itself. Oh, it's magnetic even. You got me? And what do we have else? We have USB C3. Okay, I mean, let's connect it and see. Listen to me. When you will connect it, first you connect and you put out it from here, from this hole. Okay, let me explain you something. When you connect it first time, you will not see any buttons here. It just show you the display. For example, let's put it here. And where is connection? Okay. Wait a minute. Stop. Yeah, here we have a USB here. I have thousands of USBs. Okay. As you see, he turned on. Got me? As play in the middle, which means it's working. Everything is okay. When you just install the setup, start lightening, and you can customize. What we have here in the box. Box is heavy. I don't know, but it has nothing from inside. Sure, there is nothing. Okay, it's nothing. So, guys, this was the Elgato. This was the point about Elgato. And we'll see you again. I hope you understand. I hope I explained for you quickly enough. It's like keyboard, you got me? It's like keyboard for laptop buttons. It looks quality, to be honest. To be honest, good for Elgato. They're creating nice stuff. Let's be honest. Not like this mic root net USB. Don't have mute button full of issues. This. They're doing nice. Until now, I cannot object about anything. They're doing nice. So guys, we'll see you again on another video when I will install it, put my shortcuts and like this, and complete my headache. I have a lot of things to unbox, to be honest with you. When I will finish everything, I will do another videos about how to connect it. We'll do more and more. So see you again for another video with Hatem for Objection. Please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. I'm sure you like the video. Put thumbs up. We'll see you again in another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace.